All right, guys, we got a beast in here. 2016 Dodge Hellcat Challenger SRT. Look at that. Finished in beautiful white, as you guys can see right there. What we got done on this beautiful beast. High flow cats there and there. Part number right there. There'll be a link in the description for them. High flows there and there. You'll have to get it tuned after you do these if you don't want the light to come on. And then it's 3-inch system all the way back, factory X pipe there. Then he brought us 2 DYNOMAX race bullets that he saw off our channel, there and there. Then it continues 3-inch with, and we left the valves on it for him. You don't want to take those out unless you want it loud. So we left those on there. And then we did a rear delete out the back there and put some quad tips, blue flame, to complete the look right there. And absolutely beautiful. There's the 2 rears and there's the 2 mids we cut off right there and right there with the black tips. It looks better with those tips we just put on the quads. And like always, guys, please like, comment, subscribe, and tell us what you guys think of the sound in the comments. Can we record your reaction? Yeah? What do you think? Sounds good. You think yeah? Aha! Look at the sound. What do you think? Your sound decibels? Again? 22? Again? Yeah, that's perfect. That's a nice idle too to it. Again? You see it? Let's push it up a little bit too. Go ahead and back it up. Yeah. We appreciate him. He drove out of Chattanooga to us, so we really appreciate him coming down. That's beautiful. I'll let you guys hear on the inside.